Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport P300e Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol plug-in hybrid engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the absolutely sleek Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you're going to find further sleek and stylish features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear, you're going to find your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal your vast amount of boot space, which will be perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats with their lunar grey stitching and their own climate control systems and USB ports for compatible devices. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way electric heated seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Looking at your fully leather heated steering wheel and your 11.4-inch Preview Pro touchscreen. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.